Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of My Something Random. I'm your host, Adam Unsel, and today's episode of Tool Shop Tuesday is going to be a good one. I picked out some cool things I think you're going to enjoy. But before we get started, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed. So on today's reviews, I have got two items. They're actually smaller items, and not everything that I'm going to talk about on Tool Shop Tuesday is going to be a great big expensive item. These two items are going to be more in the affordable range that I think everybody has the opportunity to purchase, and they're just something that I have tried and really enjoyed, and it helped me out in my woodworking shop. So the first item that I'm going to talk about are these silicone ice cube trays that I picked up off of Amazon. What would you use these for in a woodworking shop? Well, if any of you have ever done acrylic casting, these work fantastic. Picked them up off Amazon. You can get these two here for $13.99 currently, and I'm sure they go on sale periodically, but they are made out of soft silicone and they work fantastic for casting your own pin blanks. You don't need to do any kind of mold release, nothing. You just put whatever it is in your casting, pour your two-part epoxy in, and throw them in your pressure pot, and then they just pop right out. So here's one particular blank that I casted. I do the Aluminite, and then I added some sparkly powder to it. I can't remember the name of it. And then I just threw in some different chunks of wood. And this happens to be a maple burl. But they turn out really, really nice. And as you can see, perfect size for casting pins. Not very expensive. I'll throw a link up in the description below. But once again, I got them on Amazon for about $13.99. The second item I want to talk about is this Product Engineering Corporation calipers. These are digital calipers. The thing I like about these is this will do millimeters, inches, and fractions, so it will do all three. I've used this for everything. You can use this from anything from checking the thickness of a board that you've run through a planer, make sure your planer or drum sander is perfectly level on both sides, setting your table saw blade height, setting your router blade height. It will go out to 10,000ths of an inch. And you've got your millimeters, and of course, they're millimeters, inches, fractions, millimeters. Very, very handy to have this at your disposal. There is an endless set of uses for this thing. Really, really enjoy it. Pick this one up from Woodcraft. Currently, it's going for $59.99. You know, they periodically do sales. 10% off birthday card may work on this as well. Got a little bit conversion scale on the back. So I know today's video was a little sweet and short, but they don't have to be long and complicated. These silicone molds, try them out. I definitely guarantee that you won't be sorry for getting these if you do any kind of pin blank casting. And then these calipers, I'm sure most people's shops has a set, but they're usually just, you know, millimeters and occasionally inches, but not so much fractions. It's really nice having all three. Check these out at Woodcraft. I'll put the link in the description below to both of these items. And if you have any questions or would like to see me review something, let me know in the comments below.